What's up, Dough Manchers? Welcome back to your favorite series on TikTok, Bread 6 Ways, where I try my latest roll for sourdough creation, 6 ways. And today we have the stuffed tidings. So if you haven't watched the episode, go watch it now. It's a good one. It's chaotic. It's Christmas. It's fantastic. But we're going to get into it. I have 6 different sauces on the bread because honestly, it doesn't need much more other than a sauce. So we're going to try that. As always, I start with my base butter. Every bread needs a butter, so we see if butter's good on it. Butter. Yeah, butter works really well. The saltiness went with the sweetness of the cranberry. It enhanced the bread itself and all the seasonings in the bread. It was a good one. And there's some one I'm scared of, so I'm going to go with ones that I think aren't going to be good. And we're going to start with ketchup, because I hate ketchup. It is a waste of a condiment, if you ask me. So yeah, here goes ketchup. For the people that love ketchup and put it on everything. I really hate ketchup. It's not good. It's such an overpowering, like, not even good overpowering sweet. It just didn't go. I don't like ketchup. It wasn't ever going to be good to me. The next one I think that won't be good because it is just so overpowering as a flavor, even though I personally love mustard. We're going to go with mustard. Not too excited though. I don't think it's going to go. I've never had mustard, macaroni and cheese, or cranberry. Good luck. Yeah, it added nothing to the bread. It just overpowered all the flavors that were already in the bread. It's one of the things that mustard just doesn't go on. Had a suggestion for a spicy mayo. I don't own spicy mayo, so I made my own with Taco Bell hot sauce and mayo. This one's for you. Yeah, next to the butter, that was a really good one. The zestiness from the Taco Bell sauce mixed with the creaminess of the mayo worked really well with the bread. They all interacted with the flavors, enhanced flavors. Good choice. Thank you for that suggestion. The next one is a raspberry habanero sauce from Pampered Chef. I think it should go good with the cranberries and every other stuff in the bread. Should really enhance the flavor. So here we go. Surprisingly, after like the first few chews, the flavor of the raspberry habanero sauce just gets lost in the bread. The bread's just, there's a lot of flavors already in the bread. This one wasn't strong enough to compete with them or even blend in with them. But it wasn't bad. Like, I still have a little kick of the habanero, which is nice. I love spicy. So good to me. And finally, we got the last one. No way it's not going to be good. Melted cheddar, jalapenos on the bread. I'm excited. Thank you guys for watching. So it was good. But honestly, I should have put like ranch or something on it. Even the spicy mayo mixed with that would have been really good. It just, after like you get over past the pickled jalapeno, there's not much to it to give it like that moistness or just that sauciness to it that it needed. But overall, I really like stuffed tiding. It turned out well. I'm excited for other all-ins, crit fails that we do in the future. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know the whole deal. Follow if you're watching on TikTok. And until the next episode, I will see you on Sunday with a new roll for sourdough. Have a good day.